In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the one additional step necessary when you run through the Kata module, and that is turning individual contestants into Kata teams. I'm looking right now at the Add Contestants window, and you'll notice there's one additional button on the top, the Create Teams button. If I select this, I'll be taken to the Create Teams screen, and likewise, I'm going to exit this menu. From the main menu, you'll also see the second menu item is Create Teams. So I'll go ahead and select that, and we'll be brought to the Create Teams screen. Let's take a look at the features of the window. The top box allows you to change the entry that the contestants are displayed in the Team Member 1 box and Team Member 2 box. The Team Member 1 box has a listing of all your contestants that you've entered, and the Team Member 2 box also has the listing of all the contestants you entered. Notice they're exactly the same. The Create Team button is what you'll use to actually create the team once you put a team member in 1 and a team member in 2. And on this side, the contestants not on a team are individual contestants you have not put on a team yet. Down here, we'll talk about this in a minute, where you'll be creating a singleton in case one of these contestants does not have a partner. And then finally, the bottom box are all your teams that you created from the individual contestants. So let's create our first team. We're going to create a team of Ian Ladune and Tim Nyberg. I can do this a couple different ways. I can go over here to this drop-down box and just scroll through until I find one of the contestants. Here's Ian. I'll go ahead and click on him, and his name goes in Team Member 1 box. The other way I can do it is just go over here and find the contestant that's not on a team yet and click his name, and you'll notice he goes in the Team Member 2 box. It doesn't matter which is Team Member 1 or which is Team Member 2. And then I'll go Create Team. Now let's say I've created that team, and you'll notice that now down in the existing team members that the new team of Ian and Tim are created, and the list with the contestants not on a team, they've disappeared from here. Now let's say I made a mistake and I needed to repair them. I would just go down to the existing team window, select their name, and then I'll be given a box that asks me if I want to delete the team or cancel it. If I delete it, their name just appears back in the contestants not on a team, and they're removed from the existing team. So I'll go ahead and recreate that team just by clicking on Ian and clicking on Tim and doing Create Team. Now the last part is to create a singleton, and what I'm going to do here is say Pat Riley entered the contest all by himself. So I'm going to go to the Create Singleton button, and you'll notice that singleton appears now in the window. I'm going to go ahead and select Pat and select Singleton, and then do Create Team. And then down on the window here, you'll notice that Pat Riley is entered with a singleton. And then I'm going to go ahead and exit this window, and that's the end of the lesson on creating Kata teams.